The TCL 403 is a budget smartphone with useful features such as removable battery and expandable storage via a micro SD card. Say goodbye to the limitations of fixed batteries, as the TCL 403 allows you to easily replace the battery, ensuring you're always powered up and ready to go. The TCL 403 is equipped with a 6.0 inches bezel display and the MediaTek Helio A22 quad-core CPU, which is the same found on the Nokia C200 and Redmi 6A. The performance is decent for a super budget phone, but if you're accustomed to higher-end smartphones, the TCL 403 is likely to feel a bit sluggish when browsing the internet, running apps and gaming. The 8 megapixels rear camera with macro and HDR modes captures good photos, while the 5 megapixels front camera delivers decent selfies, but it should be noted that the front camera doesn't natively support 5MP. It interpolates photos from 2MP, digitally blown up or upscaled, which is nowhere the same quality as a photo taken with a true native 5 megapixels camera. The expandable storage via micro SD card up to 512 GB is a convenient feature that makes up for the small internal storage capacity, approximately 22 GB. Comparing the TCL 403 to other TCL smartphones, it is clear that the TCL 403 is positioned as a budget-friendly option. It doesn't reach the same heights as higher-end TCL smartphones in terms of specifications and premium features, but it holds its ground as a capable device within its price range. If you prioritize essential smartphone functionalities without the need for cutting-edge specifications or premium features, the TCL 403 provides a solid combination of performance, display quality, camera capabilities, and expandable storage. When compared to higher-end models like the TCL 5 series or TCL 10 Pro, the TCL 403 falls short in terms of display resolution, processing power, camera capabilities, and storage options. These higher-end models offer superior features, such as higher resolutions, more advanced chipsets and processors, and enhanced camera systems, making them better suited for users who demand top-tier specifications and premium features. In terms of build quality, materials, and design, the TCL 403 doesn't have the premium feel as higher-end models like the TCL 30 Shay or TCL 20 Pro 5G. The TCL 403 is entirely made of plastic, including the buttons, and features a 3.5mm headphone jack and single speaker at the top and micro USB port and mic at the bottom. The weight is just 182 grams, 202 grams with included phone case. The lack of USB-C connectivity is an odd one, considering the TCL 403 was released in 2023. The internal battery is not the largest but charges in 3.5 hours and lasts a full workday, 8 hours. While battery life isn't very long, the TCL 403 battery is user replaceable. Phones with detachable batteries have been around since the days of the old Nokia phones with interchangeable fascias. The trend of smartphones transitioning from removable batteries to non-removable, fixed or sealed batteries started around 2010. While non-removable batteries offer some advantages in terms of design and performance, they limit your ability to easily replace a faulty or degraded battery. With the TCL 403, you can easily replace the battery without the worrying about voiding the warranty or requiring professional service from a service center. Another plus of owning a phone with a removable battery, it's that you can properly power off the phone by taking out the battery, something you can't do with most flagship smartphones. Some drawbacks to consider right out of the gate are the 2D glass TFT IPS panel, which doesn't provide the best viewing angles compared to higher-end displays. Then, there is the screen resolution, only 480 by 960 pixels, which is not the sharpest nor the brightest, an issue in a bright sunny day. Additionally, the 2 GB of RAM is very low, which hinders the performance of the Helio A22 CPU and GPU, PowerVR GE8320, particularly when playing graphically demanding games. As far as operating system, the TCL 403 runs Android 12 Go edition, lighter version of the original Android 12, which has the benefit of faster apps and battery life. Like with most phones' cameras, the photo quality in camera mode is a bit better than when capturing a photo while recording video. In the case of the TCL 403, you can clearly see the difference, especially when taking still photos at night. See images below. Overall, the TCL 403 is a solid choice. It has removable battery and expandable storage, which is convenient for keeping all your important files, photos, and videos at your fingertips. Whether you're a budget-conscious user or someone seeking flexibility in their smartphone experience, the TCL 403 won't disappoint.
Chew bubblegum and kick ass. And I'm all out of bubblegum. You could ask yourself a question. Do I feel lucky? Well, do you, punk? I'll be back. Your disease, not the cure. Your disease, not the cure. It's time.
Colonel Brenner to all troops. We've confirmed the location of the rebel base. The enemy is evacuating and our orders are to ground their fleet. AT-ATs are en route to breach the base defenses. You will clear a path and escort 2 walkers in case of rebel rocket attacks. Protect them with your lives.